Hi, if you want to update your Huawei Band 9, we have two ways. As a first step, you can just take your band, find this button on the right side of it and press it to go in the apps menu. So here simply select settings, scroll till the end and you will see this tab system updates. Select software updates and you will see whether you have new updates or not. In my case, I have an update, so also we have this option to auto install. So when enabled, the device will automatically install updates when not in use. If you want to enable it, just simply tap on it to put a check mark and now it will be enabled. As a second way, you can go in the Huawei Health app installed on your phone. Here, make sure that your device is connected to this app and in that case, you will see the name of it and the battery percentage. Simply select it, scroll a bit and go in the firmware update. And then after a few seconds, you will see the new updates here. So to download it, you will need to tap this download and update button. And here you will see this animation on your watch as well and the information, so transferring the update will take some time. So let's just simply wait till it updated and then I will show you the result. And now the update is installed. So I suggest you to install new updates because usually these updates includes fixing old issues or just improving and adding some new features. So just don't forget to update your Band 9 from time to time. And we can tap this button finish and we are all set. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.